Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has now entered the support area we defined, I think yesterday for this week, between roughly $100,700 and $104,000. This was our micro support zone. I spent a bit of time in the earlier video today to discuss this in detail. But for now, support continues to hold. So there is currently no sign that we've started the next move down, even though it's possible. So that will be decided in the support zone. What happened is we have seen a rejection from our resistance level, from our resistance area there around $107,330. So that's the 50% retracement. We discussed that in the previous video earlier today. Remember, this is the resistance area where we said this resistance area would ideally need to be broken, to the upside, to even consider that something much more bullish is playing out. But until then, this resistance area stands in the way between a recovery to all-time highs and basically another low. So this is the key pivot for this week. So what we've done so far, we've moved from support, from this very, very critical 55-week exponential moving average and a lot of other support levels we talked about and parameters and everything, moved into resistance. And then we said, okay, if we now get a pullback, the first support zone, which will be relevant this week, most likely, is defined between $100,700 and $104,100. We're now testing it. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame to see if anything meaningful is happening here. And I mean, yesterday we only moved sideways and the market even pushed a little higher just to get to that 50% retracement level. And I said to you, if the wave 4 in our yellow scenario, the directly bearish count, if that wave 4, or let's say to keep the yellow scenario plausible, it should really form a top here because it's already quite high for a fourth wave anyway. Before anybody asks, it's not a problem that waves 1 and 4 overlap here. That's completely acceptable within a C wave to the downside. But we now see some movement. And so the market has started the next phase. And if we hold now this support zone, then there could be some room for another rally in wave C towards 112,400. This is the zone to watch. If we get a decisive break below it, it opens the door for this to be already the fifth wave to the downside. A few things I'm watching for here. As long as the pullback is only a 3-wave move down, as long as the pullback is only a 3-wave move down, the door remains open for higher prices. If this turns into a 5-wave move down, it's more likely the yellow count. But I have to say, it's only 3 waves for now. So I want to just share with you what to watch out for from an Elliott Wave point of view. Again, I'm not making the rules. I'm not making the guidelines here. It's just what Elliott Wave tells us, right? So that's all I'm doing. I present you structure. And based on structure, the support and resistance levels. And you see they are relevant. I mean, what can I say, right? The 55-week EMA was our structural support, together with a lot of other Fibonacci levels and so on. And then the market moved into resistance, got rejected exactly here at the 107,300 level. I mean, that's no coincidence. It's a Fib level. And now we are dipping back into support. So we'll see if there is a reaction here as well. And again, this is not an invalidation area or anything. So if we break below it, it will not rule out the orange scenario to play out. But a break below support is, it is what it says. It's a break below support. So we're starting to break then. And probabilities will increase that we're already in the yellow count for one more low. So that's basically here now a decision phase. 3 waves up, 3 waves down can lead to another leg up. And if that happens, then it should happen before we break below 100,744. I will, of course, keep a close eye on this. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well. You'll find a link in the description for a lot of additional updates. And if you're new to crypto, or maybe you're just looking to set up your trading a bit more professionally, MCO has a partnership with Bybit. They are one of the most largest and established crypto exchanges worldwide. Many in our community already trade there, and it's the platform we use also for our tutorials. So through our link in the description and comment section, you get reduced trading fees for the first 30 days. And there's currently also an exclusive campaign for the most active MCO traders. The link to the playlist is right here on the screen now, and the Bybit link is pinned in the comments. It's a simple way to support the MCO project and everything we do here for the community. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.